Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ford Mustang GT. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your mirrors and seat for optimal visibility and control. Locate the clutch, brake, and accelerator pedals. With the parking brake engaged, depress the clutch pedal completely, then press the engine start button. Listen to that iconic 5.0-liter V8 roar to life, ready for the road ahead. Driving a manual Mustang GT is incredibly rewarding. To begin, with the engine running and clutch depressed, select first gear. Slowly release the clutch while gently applying throttle to move forward. Practice this friction point to avoid stalling. For upshifts, lift off the accelerator, depress the clutch, shift, then release the clutch and reapply throttle. Downshifting involves a similar process, often with a quick blip of the throttle to match engine speed. The Mustang GT offers exhilarating performance. Its 5.0-liter V8 engine delivers over 450 horsepower, providing incredible acceleration. Explore the selectable drive modes, such as normal, sport, or track, which adjust throttle response, steering feel, and suspension settings. Remember, with rear-wheel drive, smooth inputs are key, especially when applying power through corners. Always respect the car's capabilities and drive within your limits. Safety is paramount when driving any powerful vehicle. Always wear your seatbelt and adhere to speed limits. The Mustang GT's powerful brakes require firm, progressive pressure for effective stopping. Perform routine maintenance, including oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, and check tire pressures monthly. Understanding your car's limits and driving responsibly ensures a thrilling yet safe experience for everyone on the road.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.